Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about clicking noise on iTunes? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about clicking noise on iTunes is www.techsupportforum.com. Specifically the page titled Popping/Clicking Sound on iTunes, Tech Support Forum. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site support.apple.com, especially the page I hear unfamiliar sounds with each mouse click when using. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see forums.macrummers.com. The web page Weird iTunes Click Noise, Macrummers Forums. Here's the link.